Hello everyone, a very warm greetings to all. In this video we will learn how we can remove TOO2 and TO2 from the given sentence. Let's start it with the very first slide. In this slide we have some examples given here using TOO2. Only one 2 is there. There is no other 2 which is TO2. Only one 2 we can see here. And the sentence structure is based on the given formula: subject plus helping verb plus TOO2 plus adjective plus object. Usually such sentences are not asked in exam, especially not in HSC board exam. But still, if it is asked, it is given in the question paper if it is asked. So we can change it following some rules, some steps. So what exactly we have to do here? We have to take comparative degree form of adjective. So whatever adjective will be given in the sentence, we have to take the comparative degree form of that particular adjective. Let's take example of the first sentence. Here the adjective is fat. So the comparative form of fat will be fatter. So how we have to change it? We will change this sentence: he is fatter than it is proper, or proper. Either it is proper or only proper. Next example we can take here. The day is too hot. The day is hotter than it is proper, or else the day is hotter than proper. So always whenever there is single 2, TOO2, an adjective given, so you have to use this proper or else it is proper using the adjective form of the comparative form of adjective. Now we have some more example here. TOO2 and TO, both the 2's are there in the sentence. Following the formula: subject plus helping verb plus TOO, adjective TO plus verb first form and then object. So let's have a look on these examples. He is too fat to run. So as I mentioned before, this is very important. Why this is important? Because such types of sentences are only given in the exam. Why? Because here we have two 2's, TOO2 and TO2. So both the 2's we have to remove. And what way we have to remove it? TOO2, this will be replaced by so, and TO2 will be replaced by that. So how we can change it? That we will be learning in the next slide. Let's have a look on all the sentences first. He is too fat to run. I am too weak to play. Sita is too small to appear in the game. She is too slow to catch the kite. Now there are some more formulas given here. Subject plus helping verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus can, could plus not plus verb first form plus object. Then later we have till not, everything we have same, but then after not we have be plus verb third form and noun. So we can have sentences given in both the structures based on the formulas given here in this slide. There is one important thing I would like to mention. Whenever sentence is given in the present form using is, am, are, we have to use cannot. And whenever the sentence is given in the past form using was, were, so always we have to use could not. And when we have to use noun, verb, third form, that we will see in the next slide taking some examples. Here the first formula, based on the first formula, there is one example given where we have to use subject plus helping verb so, adjective that, subject can or could, and then not, and then verb first form and later object. So following this formula, I am too busy to attend the marriage ceremony. I am so busy that I cannot attend the marriage ceremony. So as I mentioned before as well, that TOO2 will be replaced by so, and TO2 will be replaced by that. And then it is in present form, am is used. So we will use cannot. We will not use could not because it is in present form. And then attend. Attend is given, right? We have followed the formula given here. So attend is the base form, first form of the verb, and then marriage ceremony is object. Now let's take example of the next formula. Subject plus helping verb plus so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus can, could plus not plus be plus verb third form or noun. So we have taken first example where we have noun in the last word, if you see in the sentence, is noun. So we will take the example here. He is too good to be a successful businessman. He is so good that he cannot be a successful businessman. I hope it is understood. Now next is, he speaks too fast to be understood. He speaks so fast that it cannot be understood, or he speaks so fast that he cannot be understood. So both the ways it can be taken as. Either you can use here object like it, or else subject he. Both the things you can use here. So I hope it is also understood, like when we have to use verb third form and when we have to use noun. So it depends completely on the given sentence. If in the sentence we have been given noun, so we have to use noun using be. And if it is verb, we have to use verb using be, third form. Now let's take some examples here. Let's try to solve it. Answers are also given here. He was too weak to walk. He was so weak that he could not walk, as it is in the past form, so we have used here could not. Government is too strict to remove the ban. Government is so strict that it will not remove the ban. So here you will be thinking that why will is given. Why will is given? Because can denote the ability. But here government is strict. It is not something that it is government's ability. It is something that government is making its decision. It's not its ability. It's making its decision. So here we can use, in such sentences, we can use will and would as well. You can use can also, no problem. If you are using can instead of will and would, that also will be considered. But when you sometimes get the feel of using will, you can use will as well. But if you get confused that it can be wrong, then always be with can. No problem at all. Now let's take the another example. Tree was too high to climb. So here again past form is there. Tree was so high that it could not be climbed. We can change it in other way also, like tree was so high that one cannot climb it. This way also we can change it. Sita is too small to do the job. Sita is so small that she cannot do the job. Now let's take the another slide. So here some more questions are given, some more sentences are given for your exercise. You can try to do it first of all, and then the next slide comes with all the answers. So first you try to complete this on your own, and then you can have a look the next slide. So you can change, you can just assess your own self by seeing all the answers given in this slide. The last sentence, if you see here in the answer, we have used again will. If you are using can, it is also okay. If you are using will, that is again okay. Now thank you so much for watching this video.